A driver attempts to load a tractor onto a large trolley with guidance from a spotter. Suddenly, the tractor loses control and flips 3 to 4 times with the driver trapped inside. Thankfully, he escapes with only minor injuries, a lucky outcome from a dangerous fall. A high-speed car raced down the road when a tractor suddenly appeared at a sharp turn. The car crashed into the tractor's trolley. Thankfully, no serious injuries occurred, but it's a strong reminder to stay cautious while driving. A tractor was drifting at top speed in the fields when it suddenly flipped and crashed. Bystanders watched in shock, and thankfully the driver escaped without major injuries, a harsh reminder to control speed while performing risky maneuvers. A tractor towing another tractor on a heavy loaded trolley suddenly lost control, tilting to its right side before flipping over. Thankfully, the driver escaped without serious injuries, but the mistake left him shaken and questioning his actions. A driver drifted a tractor at top speed, causing it to flip. He jumped off, but the tractor regained balance and kept moving without him. Chasing it down, he finally stopped it, almost like the tractor had a mind of its own. A tractor driver tried climbing a steep road with a heavily loaded trolley. Suddenly, the tractor detached and flipped over. Luckily, the driver escaped safely, but it's a harsh reminder not to push machines beyond their limits.
Oh shit, I think Lauren's seen. Slow down behind me, will you?
A fast-moving car drove straight when a tractor loaded with hay made a sharp turn in front. 3 piles of hay fell onto the car and road. Thankfully, it was just hay. Anything heavier could have caused serious damage. A man tried towing a hoeing tool to his tractor near a pond's edge. Suddenly, the tractor flipped and splashed into the water. The driver jumped off just in time, while another rushed to kill the engine. A tractor pulling a heavily loaded trolley had 2 men on the tractor and 2 on the trolley for balance. After struggling on rough ground, the trolley suddenly tilted left and flipped. Luckily, the men jumped aside in time. A tractor was pulling a heavy oiling machine at full power, racing forward at top speed. Suddenly, the engine exploded with a loud boom, scattering metal scraps everywhere. His colleagues rushed over to check the situation. Fortunately, the driver was safe, though it's a harsh reminder to never push machines beyond their limits. A driver raced his tractor across a muddy water terrain, losing balance and hitting his head on the tractor. Thankfully, he regained control and stopped safely. A strong reminder to perform such stunts with caution. An old man drove his tractor, taking a sharp turn around a tree and then another to the right, but lost control and flipped. People rushed to save him. A strong reminder to avoid risky maneuvers without proper precautions. A tractor tried pulling another stuck tractor with a heavy trolley. The pulling force was too strong, breaking the front side of the tractor. Half of it was damaged, resulting in a total loss and the need for a new replacement. On a busy road, a car attempted a right turn when a speeding tractor suddenly appeared and flipped onto it. Damage was minor, but it served as a harsh reminder to always stay alert before crossing or turning on busy streets. A tractor tried pulling another badly stuck tractor using its front toe. But the pulling force was too powerful. The front section broke off completely. The stuck tractor remained trapped, and instead, another heavy repair bill was created. Hit that like button. If you think this one was crazy, wait till you see what's coming up next. Don't even think about clicking away. A tractor with a heavily loaded trolley got stuck in mud. Another tractor pulled it out successfully, but the trolley flipped, spilling all the grains. A costly loss and a reminder to handle heavy loads more carefully next time. At night on a highway, a tractor's brakes failed, causing it to lose control. It smashed into two cars and finally crashed into a building. Thankfully, no serious injuries, but it served as a harsh reminder to check brakes before driving. A driver and his friend attempted to drive a tractor through muddy terrain with a steep incline. They crossed the water but failed to climb the height, causing the tractor to flip backward. Another tractor was called to rescue it. A fast-moving tractor carrying a heavy load had its back right tire detach and roll away. Thanks to the driver's quick reaction, he managed to stop the tractor just in time, preventing what could have been a major chaos. A tractor driver struggled repeatedly to get his vehicle out of a muddy terrain but remained stuck. Losing hope, maybe he eventually called another tractor for help to finally pull it out of the challenging situation. A tractor raced at top speed on a right-side slope high above the ground. It lifted from one side, lost balance, and flipped. People rushed to help, and thankfully, the driver made it out safely from the dangerous crash. A driver started a tractor at top speed, attempting to drift, when it suddenly lost control and flipped over with him. Luckily, he escaped safely, but it's a harsh reminder to avoid such reckless stunts in the future. A driver sped his tractor around a tree and attempted another sharp turn, but lost control. The tractor flipped, injuring his leg. The crew rushed to help, and the driver now faces a long recovery, a harsh lesson for reckless driving. On a road, a tractor stopped at a red signal while another crossed. Suddenly, a high-speed tractor crashed into the stationary one from behind. A big loss occurred, serving as a harsh reminder to follow traffic rules carefully. A driver started his tractor with a heavy load at full speed when its engine suddenly exploded with a loud boom. Thankfully, he stopped it in time, preventing a major accident and potential chaos. An old man struggled to climb a hill with his tractor and loaded trolley. While he managed to get the tractor up, the trolley detached and tumbled down the hill, leaving him disappointed at the unexpected loss. A tractor raced at full speed on an icy track when it hit a weak spot. Both the tractor and the driver sank completely into the ice, a dangerous situation with a harsh reminder to respect icy terrains. A tractor attempting to climb a hill suddenly flipped backward and crashed. The driver jumped off just in time, narrowly escaping serious injury. A close call and a strong reminder to exercise caution while navigating steep terrains.
Friggin' hitting the culprit. Holy shit. Jesus.
A tractor tried to escape from police cars on a highway, but suddenly flipped and crashed.
Holy shit.
Thankfully, no one was injured. The driver was caught, serving as a reminder to always follow traffic rules and respect the law. In a garage, a tractor was under repair when a worker noticed a potential tire explosion. He rushed and managed to prevent the chaos, averting a major incident, a strong reminder to stay alert and cautious during repairs. A tractor struggled to climb a steep slope in a field. After after several attempts, it suddenly flipped backward. Thankfully, the driver escaped with minor injuries, a harsh reminder to take extra care when tackling challenging terrains. A tractor was descending a steep slope when it suddenly lost balance, flipped, and crashed. The driver made it out safely. A strong reminder to exercise caution when navigating steep terrains to avoid such accidents. A tractor sank 3/4 into water, but the driver didn't lose hope. He tried hard and finally managed to pull it out. A reminder that persistence and the right efforts can overcome even the toughest situations. A high-speed tractor was descending a hill and taking a sharp turn on a bridge when it suddenly lost balance and fell off. The driver watched in disappointment, reminded harshly of the dangers of reckless driving. From flips to fails, these tractors showed us how fast things can go wrong. If you enjoyed the chaos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite fail in the comments below.